Good morning, students. I hope that you all are healthy and happy. Today, the topic is chapter number 14, the directive principles of state policy. The directive principle of state policy, it is a part of our constitution. Article number 36. Article number 36 to 51 and in part 4th. Be carefully listen. In our constitution, article number 36 to 51 in part 4th of our constitution deal with the directive principle of state policy. Means in our constitution, part 4th describe about that directive principle of state policy. It is starting from article number 36 to article number 51. Means first of all, directive principles are given in our constitution in part 4th from article 36 to 51. Clear? Now, what is directive principle of state policy? What is directive principle of state policy? Many times the question is asked. What is meaning of directive principle of state policy? Actually, the directive principle of state policy is a guideline to the government when the government make the policies for the common people. The main aim of the directive principle of state policy to maximize the welfare of the common people. When our country getting independence, that time so many problems in our country. So the maker of the constitution decided to give the equal right to the common people, liberty, freedom, social equality, economical equality, social distribution of resources is equally. So these policies and these programs are made by the our maker of the constitution finally describe how to government make the policy in their state. Each and every policy those are made by the government always be carefully made after that to maximize the welfare of the common people. In other words, we can say the directive principle of state policy, first of all, meaning the directive principle of state policy is the guideline to the government. Which type of guideline? The guideline is when the government make the policy for the common people, then always be carefully see the guideline those are given in the directive principle of state policy. मतलब हम कह सकते हैं कि जो गवर्नमेंट हमारी जो सरकार है वो कोई भी अगर पॉलिसी बनाती है तो उसे हमेशा इस बात को ध्यान में रखकर ही पॉलिसी बनानी होगी कि जो डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी में हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने लिखा है कि हमेशा सोशल इक्वलिटी होना चाहिए, जो पॉलिसी गवर्नमेंट बना रही है उससे लोगों का भला होना चाहिए, मीन्स वेलफेयर मैक्सिमाइज होना चाहिए। ऐसी कोई भी पॉलिसी गवर्नमेंट नहीं बनाएगी जो डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी के अगेंस्ट हो। मतलब एक तरह से ये गवर्नमेंट को ऑलरेडी गाइडलाइन करता है कि आपको जो पॉलिसी बनानी है वो किस तरह से हर एक गरीब से गरीब और अमीर से अमीर हर एक व्यक्ति को इसका बराबर लाभ मिले। ये हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के पार्ट 4th में लिखा गया है। So we can see the meaning of the directive principle. I hope that clear. The directive principle of state policy is a guideline to the government then how to make the policy for the common people, and the main aim of the directive principle of state policy to maximize the welfare of the common people. Means हमेशा जो भी पॉलिसी बनाएगी गवर्नमेंट उसकी हर तरह से वेलफेयर होना ही चाहिए था, तभी यह डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी के बातों होगा फॉलो करेगा। एक चीज और क्लियर करेंगे, द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी कैन नॉट बी इन्फोर्सेबल बाय द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ, इसे कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ के द्वारा लागू नहीं कराया जा सकता, जैसा कि आप फंडामेंटल राइट्स में देखे होंगे। द फंडामेंटल राइट्स कैन बी इन्फोर्स्ड बाय द कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ बट द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी कैन नॉट बी enforced by the court of law. The main purpose of directive principle of state policy was to solve this type of problem, social problem, economical problem, political problem, means each and every type of poverty, illiteracy, backwardness, social discrimination, poor condition of health and nutrition which from the going on during the time of the British. Means the main aim of the directive principle of state policy to solve the problem of illiteracy, poverty, backwardness, untouchability, discriminations, condition of life, means each and every types of problem those are going on and during the time of the British government. These all type of discrimination solved by the directive principle of state policy. I hope that you all are able to understand. First of all, directive principle are given in our constitution in part 4th from article number 36 to 51. What is meaning? The meaning of the directive principle of state policy, which is a guideline. It is mentioned in our constitution. Our constitution gives the guideline to the state government how to make their policy, and the main aim of the directive principle of state policy to maximize the welfare of the common people. अब बात आती है कि एक स्टेट, एक गवर्नमेंट किस तरह से अपने वेलफेयर को मैक्सिमाइज करेगी। सबसे पहली चीज सोशल इक्वलिटी लाकर समाज में जो भी लोग हैं उनके बीच समानता का अधिकार दिया गया। मीन्स आपको मैंने पहले भी बोला, द डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल गिव द इक्वल राइट टू द कॉमन पीपल, लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी, इट ऑल थिंग्स आर गिवन बाय द constitution through the directive principle of state policy. Means the government always ensured that each and every policies of the government give the social equality to the common people. Okay. Second, economical equality. Each and every policies of the state government, each and every policies those are made by the government ensure that economic equality among the common people. Political equality, it is also the aim of the directive principle of state policy. The government ensure that each and everyone get the political equality through the policy of the government. Maximize inequalities, sorry, not maximize, minimize और क्या होना चाहिए, minimize the inequalities in income, same work, same hour, same salary, both men or women. Means minimize equality, चाहे वो मेल हो चाहे वो फीमेल हो, काम अगर समान है, वर्क आवर अगर समान है, तो उसकी जो सैलरी होगी, इनकम जो दिया जाएगा वो भी कैसा दिया जाएगा, समान दिया जाएगा। ये कौन डिसाइड करेगा, ये गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी। फैसिलिटीज एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज, each and every types of facilities, each and every types of the opportunities, those are given by the government, equally distributed among the common people.